Now, we know AI can help you with your content creation. There's so many tools for that. But can AI help you with your YouTube growth faster than you can? Personally, I'm on this YouTube journey as well, and I've tried hundreds of AI tools with getting disappointed of really bad titles, descriptions that don't even sound like me, tags that are super outdated. And so I'm trying to really figure out which one is going to work. Now, I don't know if you've been paying attention to the news, but there has been a lot of talk of this new tool called Deepseek, and it's supposed to be better than ChatGPT. And so I want to put it to the test. One thing I know about AI is that you have to give it information about you for it to really work. Like, you can't just say, hey, what's going to help me with my YouTube growth? You have to give it the information. You have to give it the data. So this is what I did. So I went into YouTube Studios and I downloaded my analytics and I put it in both Deepseek and ChatGPT with the intentions of finding my top 5 videos based off watch time and CTR, what videos I should be creating, and a strategy to move forward to build my YouTube channel. I put this prompt in both Deepseek and ChatGPT, and to be honest with you, the results are pretty impressive. So what you're about to see is a live that I did that was initially testing out just Deepseek and ChatGPT, but then I put in my YouTube analytics and game over. So hopefully this helps you out. So let's get into the video. I want to show a real life example between ChatGPT's O1, right, and the Deepseek R1, okay? So let me set this up real quick. If you are a YouTuber, or if you use social media and you have some analytics, right? Download your analytics and put that into ChatGPT or Deepseek for it to figure out what is your best performing videos and some suggestions, right? So this is exactly what I did with my YouTube, and I'm going to show you what it came up with. What I asked was, hey, give me my top 5, give me the best CTR and the views. For those who don't know what CTR is, it's click-through rate, best views, and give me which out of all of this, what works? Like, what should I continue to go with? So boom, I got it here, and this I had a, here's another thing. This is what I realized too. So with Deepseek, I can actually, if I hit this little paperclip situation, I can upload, where was it? I think it was here. I can upload a CSV file when it comes to their reasoning model. When it came to ChatGPT, I'm not allowed to upload. Hold on. It won't let me. It's grayed out. It won't let me upload the CSV file, but this is the reasoning model, so why wouldn't you be able to? I had to actually copy and paste it. So what you see here is a copy and paste where Deepseek allowed me to upload it right here. Okay, so already two differences. So ChatGPT, right? What it looked for, it filtered through CTR, watch time, and synergy approach. Okay. This one, let's see what it says. Okay, it went straight to the top 5. So top 5, I can't believe I made an AI video in 5 minutes. Sora AI review. The 3 tools that made me fire my whole media team. I created a realistic AI influencer from scratch. InvestFest. And then I tried Pi AI based off CTR, watch hours, and views. Since we're talking about helping you grow your YouTube channel, I got an AI tool that's going to help you with that. And it's called Opus Clip. Opus Clip is going to help you turn your YouTube videos into vertical videos to help you share it across different social media platforms, such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, so you can have more of a global presence. And honestly, it takes like 3 steps. You sign into Opus Clip, you put your YouTube link in there, and you press enter and watch it work. Plus, it helps your video stand out with captions, B-roll, voiceovers, reframe, and brand templates. I got the link in the description, but let's get back into the video. Let's see if it picked up the same thing. This one said, InvestFest. I can't believe I made an AI video in 5 minutes. I created a realistic AI influencer from scratch. Pretty much the same. Wait, the Flex Clip, that didn't have that, right? Flex Clip didn't have that. That's different. But it picked 5 top videos that I have on my channel. Now, that's cool. My biggest thing that I wanted to see was a content strategy takeaway. That was the biggest thing for me, because I can go on my channel and find out which one's which, right? So this one says content suggestions based on data, because that's the biggest thing why we put our analytics in any of this, right? Now, I don't care if AI has any of this, right? So this one says double down on AI tools and tutorials. Your top performing videos revolve around AI tools and their practical applications. Continue creating content that showcases new AI tools, step-by-step tutorials, and real-world results. How I use AI to create X and Y minutes. Okay. If I go to ChatGPT, it says the same thing. Hey, focus on AI and tech tools. Since your audience clearly responds well to AI content, keep reviewing the AI tools, offer side-by-side comparison and ways to save time and cut costs. This resonates with solopreneurs and small teams. So we're looking pretty much the same. Remember, this is the paid version and this is the free version, okay? The only way you can get O1 is if you buy the plus version or the pro version. So this one says, the second one is leverage provocative titles. Provocative? Okay. Titles like the 3 AI tools that made me fire my whole media team and I created a realistic AI influencer from scratch performs well because they promise dramatic outcomes and unique results. Use this formula, how X change Y, or why X is the future of Y. So now they're giving me examples, okay? ChatGPT said, maintain or increase the hook factor. Front load your biggest promise, results in the title and opening seconds. I fired my entire team because of 3 tools is an example of hooking viewers' curiosity. Yo, this is pretty much the same. This is pretty much the same. All right. Focus on solopreneurs and small businesses. Your audience seems to resonate with content tailored to solopreneurs and small businesses. Create videos addressing them. Experiment with event recaps and critical reviews. Optimize video length for retention. While some, I want to read into this one. While some longer videos perform well, others with shorter duration have higher CTR but lower watch time. So experiment with medium length, like 10 to 15. This is really good information. Incorporate trends and timely topics, and then use data-driven thumbnails and titles. So, So the only thing left with ChatGPT is event recaps and reactions. People want immediate insights, and then show real results, demonstrate an actual outcome. But that's it, right? That's it. Where Deepseek actually has next steps for me. They gave me 7 situations where this one only gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one said, hey, analyze audience retention, dive deeper into your audience retention metrics for the top performing videos to identify where viewers dropped off, engage with your community, shout out to the chat, repurpose your top content, so turn your best performing videos into shorts, blog posts, and social media snippets, and then collaborate with AI tool creators, partner with AI tool developers for exclusive demos, discounts, and behind the scenes content to attract their audience to your channel. Okay. So 1 for Deepseek or 2 for ChatGPT. Okay. I personally would have picked the Deepseek one because it gave me way more information with my analytics. And so it actually gave me things to look at, to analyze, to go where ChatGPT did the same. It was a little bit shorter. It did the same. But if I could get it for free, I mean, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. To be honest, I wish I would have done this a long time ago, but what do you think? Did DeepSeek hit it better or did ChatGPT do better? And drop in the comments if you're going to try this strategy right now. I'm excited to hear about it. But until then, watch this next video.